Hi everyone, welcome back to Alcantina Eats. Today we're going to show you how to make a 10-minute smash burger. It's super easy and super delicious. So you're going to need cheese, onion, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, ketchup, salt, pepper, oil, and a pound of ground beef that you're going to divide into 4 baller portions, and some buns. Next, you're going to want to heat up your cast iron pan. If you don't have one, you can also use a stainless steel pan, but you're going to get that nice and hot. Throw some oil in there, and you want it hot because then your onions will sizzle. I like white onions. They give a nice flavor, and they also caramelize really nicely. So then put your beef on there and add a little bit of salt and pepper, like a couple of pinches. And what you're going to do next is, if you don't have a smasher, you can use a small saucepan, put a little bit of oil on the bottom, and then you're going to press down on that burger. Give it a good smash and do. And you can also use the edges a bit to really flatten out that patty. So the best thing about smash burgers is that you can just use ground beef. It really soaks up all the oil and the flavor in the pan, so you don't have to mix it with pork if you don't want to. So basically, it's going to cook for about a minute and a half. That's all you really need, just because the patty is so thin. Next, you are now ready to flip your patty. Look at that nice char and caramelization on that side. You're going to want to put the onions just on the patty, just so they're nice and on there. Get your cheese slices. You can use any type of cheese that you want. We decided to use cheddar cheese. It's just a nice classic taste for this type of smash burger. And while your patty is cooking, you can always prepare the buns. I like to toast them and put mayo and ketchup on both the top and bottom of the buns. And look at that. Your cheese is melted and it is ready to come off the pan. And then there you have it. You've got your 10-minute smash burger all ready to go. Remember to subscribe if you want to see what else we're going to get up to, and remember to click the notification button so you see all new videos that drop. We want to hear what your favorite toppings are on your burger. Add your comments below and let us know what you think. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.